What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be going to be stealing people's stuff in Animal Company. We're gonna be stealing people's stuff. We're at least attempting to steal people's stuff in Animal Company, and I hope this will be a fun video. So yeah, we're gonna be stealing people's stuff and see what I get. I've already got a grappler hook from doing it, so yeah, let's try it again. And I got a free backpack, which I don't even own. I don't even own any of this stuff, so let's go. Right. Let's be stealing people's stuff.
You can't put it right there. You can't. You can't. You have to lock it.
Thank you. Oh, I bought it over here.
Guys, he wants to go mining.
Yo, wanna go to sewers?
Me. I wanna go to sewers.
You? Here, take this.
Boring.
You wanna join a private
Like, I don't even own the grappler. Like, gadgets,
Nah, but
no
I prefer
grappler.
here, so I'm paying you.
I don't even own any.
Okay, then.
I don't even.
Hey, I got a flashlight. I got the right hand thing.
So yeah.
Hey, yo, come for the ray gun. Why do I need red? Red.
There's a stick.
Red.
Just like the Loki or sheep.
Red, where are you? I need my pogo stick pack.
Frying pan.
Different lobby.
Spooderman,
No,
I
hold
hit
your hand.
you with the frying pan.
We're going to a different lobby because that one didn't have anything. Okay. Anyway. I'm sorry about that. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Also, I don't have a fan code right now. I will have a fan code soon. I will have a fan code soon whenever I'm unbanned.
Hey guys, who wants to go mining with me?
I will.
Okay, come on, let's go mining.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just get a
Okay, let's go.
crowbar.
Mom, I'm still going out the circle.
Who wants pickaxes? Who can buy me a pickaxe?
Gee.
Yo, front man. Can you buy me a pickaxe? You want the backpack?
Oh, you're not.
You want the backpack?
No, this dude's gonna commit
No, I'm going
suicide.
mining in sewers.
What?
I'm going mining in sewers.
You could mine in sewers?
Yeah. Come on.
Pickaxes? Which one?
Bro, we're coming down the sewers. We'll be there.
gosh. It's my internet. Sorry guys. Now I have to walk this whole creepy way. I have to join back the code and then rejoin. But anyway, this video is boring. I'm sorry about that. You know what, I'm gonna